Hi guys, welcome to All in One Tech YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about how to install GTA San Andreas for phone, how to download and install it. Okay, most of them like GTA San Andreas and it's available for Android now. Okay, let's see how to download it. Okay, go to your desired browser, open your browser and search for GTA San Andreas Android game. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, please. Okay, now we can continue our video. Okay, now click on and APK mirror appmirror.net. Okay, now you need to download this APK and now you should download this APK and in the down you can see catch for GTA Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. You have to download this too, and I have already downloaded it, so I will show you how to install it. Okay, after downloading, you need to install um, ESET Archiver. Using this app you can unarchive it. Okay, using this app after decompression, I have already decompressed it, so I will start from the installation. Okay, you have to decompress it and copy it to Android. You can if you are using device storage, you can go to device storage and Android folder and you can copy it in the OBB there. If you are using in SD card, go to Android OBB and copy it here, only this folder. Don't change any of the names of this folder because it's very important. And after that, install the APK you downloaded. Okay, after installing you can enjoy your game. I'll show you how to. After installing I will show you the proof. Okay, it has been installed. Okay, I'll open and show for you. Okay, here you can see I'm playing GTA San Andreas on my Android mobile. Okay, here you should give offline, and then here you can give start game. If you need cheats for this Grand Theft Auto San Andreas for Android, you can check that on YouTube. Many videos are uploaded up to this. It has some videos on this cheater app and some cheats. You can search it on the YouTube. Okay, it's starting. Yeah, video is starting. Let's play. And see it. Okay, thanks for watching.